Welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us learn about the area chart in Excel. Area charts are primarily used when the magnitude of the trend is to be communicated. Now in this example data, we have the count of male and female employees against each month. And let us draw the trend if you want to compare with the proportion of each category. Steps: select the entire data range including the headers and click on Quick Analysis. Go to Chart section and select this tagged area type. You can as well create this graph after selecting the data by going to Insert tab and clicking on any of these 2D or 3D area charts. Now this is the simple graph. You can change the style of the graph, or with your creativity, you can format to make it more appealing. I will show you some of the methods to format like this better. Remove the title, make the axis bold, remove grid lines, adjust the legend. You can add the axis titles, adjust colors or match with theme. You can add some shapes effects like this if required. You can add some borders, data labels. Now see if this is looking better or not. And these are some of the samples of area charts. Once the graph is done, you can change the chart type as well. Follow these steps. Select the chart, click on the chart design menu option, click on change chart type. The current style that you have initially choose will be selected. Click on any of the other options from here to change. Here you can see some of the sample area charts for your reference. It's very easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks friends, thanks for watching.